Hello, friends. Welcome back to Knowledge World. And again, we are going to share related to the band sales. Here, we are going to learn, as usual, new trick again. Like previous tricks were LinkedIn jobs, like how you can place your candidate using this. Or the second one was LinkedIn email ID extractions. If you're new here, so like you can go to my videos and you can find out two these kind of videos where you can help getting much better knowledge related to the email extraction and the jobs as well. Other than that, now I would try to share the link as well, maybe in description or like if I miss somewhere, so you can comment and then I can relate to you with the related videos, whatever you are searching for. Let's focus to the new topic, that is LinkedIn hotlist sharing. What it is, so let me explain you Hotlist first. Hotlist is the you must have seen in the LinkedIn, like if you are from US staffing, people share the candidate details, like I do have this candidate in this location, this much experience and this visa status, and this is his relocation preferences. Let's say I do have Ahmed, one .NET developer who has 10 years of experience. He is not open for the relocation, and he's green card or US citizen. So that kind of details, we make one list and we share in the hot list in LinkedIn. So that is our hot list. So after checking that, so many recruiters come to you if it is related to their current job description. So let's see how it works. For that, first we need to go on the LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is here. We'll go on the LinkedIn, and then if you search here, so you will find out the hot list. You will go on post. So this is something people share here, the hot list. Like this is the image. Like that person has created image and then he has pasted here or like uploaded here, and then he has added this look this detail. So same kind of thing you can do. Okay, and if you do have one candidate or two candidate or multiple, so you can do it this matter, like this one, that this is the image. This one has only .NET and Java candidates, as I see. So like people will reach you obviously for like these kind of skill sets on your number or on your email ID. The way you represent to the world or through LinkedIn, they come to you. So this is the thing, like which like I feel it is really helpful. Other than that, like one more thing you can do, like you can add hashtags like these one. You can add like many hashtags, so like these posts go to that page as well. Like let's go on just C2C hashtag, then you will find 22,000 followers are there. So automatically this post would go to those people notifications too, like as they are following this. So this is something, a way to share your hot list, and it would really work sometimes. So try to do that, and if you find any questions or any new thing related to that, even so you can share in the comments. And I would love to get your response in terms of comments, and you can share the channel to the next level. And I would try to add more few things to soon, so it can be helpful. And really, really thankful to see such like very amazing response from the viewers. I'm getting very good comments, and the emails too. Like sometime I get, I don't know how they reach to my email ID, and they request like post this and that. So I'm trying to fulfill your requirements too. So try, just support me, and then I'll increase the things too accordingly. Thank you. Stay tuned with the channel. Try to subscribe if you are new here. Thank you. Bye bye.